welcome back with another video. So in this video I am going to discuss with quick revision of the FMT second part. So let's get started. Motorcyclist fracture, hinge fracture of base of skull. Lucid interval may be seen in instanity. Slab bound, depth is maximum. Penetrating injury to neck is defined as violation of platysma. Blue color of the bruise is due to deoxyhemoglobin. Primary impact injury is most common in leg. Rule of Hesse is used to determine the age of fetus. ABO antigen are found in CSF. Test for detection of old blood stain is benzodiazepine test. Superimposition technique is used in skull. Kilioscopy is the study of print of lip. Study of fingerprinting as dactylography. Grievous hurt and punishable under section IPC 320. Fall dispersion is seen in unchoked. The effective range of shotgun is 30 to 40 yards. Killing range of military rifle is 30 yards. Black gunpowder made up of potassium nitrate, charcoal and sulfur. In firearm injury, entry wound blackening is due to smoke. One hematoma is seen between skull and dura. Suspended animation may be seen with electrocution. Filigree burn occurs in lightning. Satellite wound following bullet entry wound is seen in contact wound. Julie wound is seen with electrocution. Crocodile skin appearance is seen in high voltage wound. Entire absence of fat throughout the body suggests type 2 diabetic mellitus, tuberculosis, starvation. Cafe coronary commonly occur when a person is intoxicated. Leaf faces sympathetics is seen in hanging. Brush burn is due to graze abrasion. Patterned abrasion is a variety of pressure abrasion. Lynching is hanging pelvically on a tree. Dermal nitrate test is done for gunpowder. A person come in contact with other cord Lockhart principle. Sexual asphyxia is association with masochism. Barking consists of something and traumatic asphyxia. Vanjadine test detect hemoglobin. Fluorine test is used for semen. Medico-legal autopsy require the permission of police. Corpus delicti means essence of crime. Atavism is a resemblance of features grandfather. Adipocere saponification, sweetish smell occur due to gradual hydrolysis and hydrogenation of fat. Minimum quantity of blood to be preserved for chemical analysis is 10 ml. CSF is required to be preserved in alcoholic poisoning. Lungs are preserved in alcohol. Cyanide, carbon monoxide are poisoning. Ideal place to record body temperature in a dead body is rectum. Rigor mortis start in heart. Rigor mortis occur first in which voluntary muscles of eyelid. Foamy liver is characteristic of putrefaction. Rigor mortis develop after death 1 to 2 years. Cadaveric spasm immediate after death affect voluntary muscles. Antidote of mercury poisoning is VL. Mummification refers to desiccation of a dead body. Honeycombing is seen in liver in case of the putrefaction. Death sentence can be awarded by session court. Correct order of putrefaction is brain, heart, uterus. Flotation of body in water is due to presence of gas. Maggots in rainy day are seen within 2 to 4 days. Maggot in a dead body do not appear before 48 hours. Medial certificate is documentary evidence. MC Nagorton rules section 84. In case of hanging neck, ligature marks are parented abrasion. Death of judicial hanging is because of fracture dislocation of upper cervical vertebra. Saliva dribbling from mouth is characteristic of antemortem hanging. Priapism occur in catharite poisoning. Viper snake venom is hematotoxic and vasculotoxic. Venom of sea snake is mostly myotoxic. Kiriate and cobra snake are neurotoxic. Nux vomica is seed containing strychnine used a cattle poison. Next one, drugs of choice for mushroom poisoning is atropine. And strychnine poisoning all muscles affect at the same time. Cherry red color of blood is seen in poisoning with cyanide. Bright red hypostasis is seen in cyanide, carbon monoxide. Salicylate poisoning treatment recommended is forced diuresis. Hemodialysis is indicated in methanol. Gastric lavage is contraindicated in poisoning kerosene. Activated charcoal is used in barbiturate. Following known as thrown apple, Dhatura alba, Dhatura niger. Antidote for acute iron poisoning is NaEDTA. Sparrow mark are seen in windshield glass injury. Sodium chloride as preservative for alcohol. Specimen for toxicology study are preserved in supersaturated soil of common salt. Urine is stored in thymol. Sewer gases H2S and CO2. Pinpointed pupils are seen in OMP or opimum. Plant penicillin is andrine. OPC poison sweet lacrimation Brady pinpoint pupil meiosis respiratory deep asthma symptom. Most common death by suicide is by insecticides. Dhatura poisoning is characterized by dilated pupil with facial flush. Lead poisoning, abdomen pain, encephalopathy and nephropathy. Arsenic poisoning present with symptom mimicking cholera. Poison that can be detected in hair long after death is arsenic. Malignant symptoms is formication. Sensation of creeping works over the body is a feature of cocaine poisoning. Black tongue is seen in abuse of cocaine. Charas is resin exudate and cannabis indica. Ganja is obtained from flowering tops. Urine appear liquid golden witch poisoning barbiturates. Morbid jealousy is diagnostic of alcoholism. Arsenic causes raindrop pigmentation, pulmonary hyperkeratosis, anemia. Mason sign is seen in alcoholic intoxication. Optic atrophy can be caused by methyl alcohol poisoning. Dry wine is chloral hydrate. Meaning of term vitriolase is vitral thawing. Antidote for oxalic acid poisoning, calcium gluconate. Green color urine seen in poisoning of carbolic acid. Brown colored urine is seen in nitric acid poisoning. Causes of death in cyanide poisoning, histotoxic anoxia. Bitter almond smell found in hydrocyanic poisoning. Hatter snake is seen in mercury poisoning. Erythrism occurs in mercury. Blue line on the gums is lead. Marbling is noticed by 36 hours. Mars test is used in detection of arsenic. Carbolic acid poisoning, post-mortem finding, lethargy, stomach. Necrosis of proximal convoluted tubules is caused by phenol. Metal poisoning can be detected by analyzing bone in arsenic. Most important sign of defloration is rupture of hymen. Lower end of the femur can help to determine age. Spreading sign diagnostic of fetal death. Average length of full-term child will be about 50 cm. MTP Act was introduced in 1971. Legal age by which fetus is capable for independent existence to 110 days. Bestiality is having intercourse with animal. Eonism, desire to identify with opposite sex. Transvestism, wearing clothes of opposite sex. Shape of nulliparous cervical canal transverse. In rupture of hymen of virgin, tears is in posterior lateral. Statutory rape is rape for women under 16 years. Golden hair and red velvety of gastric mucosa seen in arsenic. Declaration of Geneva is related with Hippocrates oath. Mental retardation is defined when IQ level is below 70. For execution, order should be passed by executive magistrate. Postmortem autopsy is done for whole body. Common type of inquest in India, police inquest. Dowry death punishment 7 years plus 20,000 rupees. One most common type of traumatic intracranial hemorrhage is subarachnoid hemorrhage. Thunderclap head HK in seen in subarachnoid hemorrhage. Duck diving, 9 falling feet first into water cause immersion syndrome. Site for looking for diatoms in body post drowning. Bone marrow is long bone. Coffee ground vomitus is seen in oxalic acid poisoning. Killing of child by its parent is filicide. Pinching cause pupil dilate with slow return in alcohol, MC1 sign. Most common site of wound is suicidal. Bullet injury is temple. Child resemble grandparents, not his parent. Atavism. Postmortem cooling of body, algor mortis. Individual cell death after death is seen in stage of rigor mortis. First muscle, second stiffen in rigor mortis, myocardium. Last muscle to stiffen in rigor mortis is small muscles of finger and toe. First organ to putrefy, larynx and trachea. Decomposition of fatty tissue after death, adipocere formation. Intercourse of man with woman closely related to him by blood is incest. Anal intercourse between two males, sodomy and vagary. Murder section IPC 300. Multiple temperature required for producing burn, 45 degrees exposure for 5 to 6 hours. Garlic like odor postmortem is seen in aluminium phosphide poisoning. Road poison is Datura fastuosa. Detection of old blood stain is spectroscopy. Most common symptom after snake bite fright. Patient with abdomen pain, diarrhea, garlic odor in breath, arsenic poison. Tentative cuts are seen in suicidal wound. Hemodialysis is absolutely indicated in poisoning of methanol. Leading questions are asked in cross-examination. Conduct monies, travel expense to expert witness in civil cases. Forcefully diuresis done in barbiturate poisoning. Myelobinuria is seen in patient after which mode of injury? Crush injury. Cobra venom is primary neurotoxic. Corpus delicti means essence of crime. Cafe coronary is due to cardiac arrest. Sweating does not cause heat stroke. Female patient with loss of interest in sex is known as sterility. Thank you.